So far, traditional manufacturing has implemented customization of products linearly. Base products are created bare, pre-configured, and often immutable. When a customer has need for accessories or customizations, it is usually done after the assembly phase or outside the factory by dealers and even customers themselves through installation kits. Some customizations may be high priority but sold and installed separately. Some customizations may not be compatible with certain products, creating conflicts or customer confusion. Emerging trends such as customized manufacturing have the potential to overcome this issue by integrating the customization process within the ordering, production, and assembly process. This brings us to the recommendation engine. Built within the KYKLOS 4.0 project, the recommendation engine's purpose is to assist manufacturers in improving the ordering process and re-energize the manufacturing process using the power of behavioral models. This is achieved by integrating the ordering process with the manufacturing one, amplifying the power of both. Additionally, the ordering process itself is streamlined per product to allow for dynamic configurations. This helps it to feed into the behavior system, supplying the recommendation engine the needed information to provide customers with meaningful and accurate recommendations for product configurations. On a technical level, the recommendation engine is built on top of established expert system algorithm. By researching, conducting interviews, and analyzing the manufacturing process, each configuration of the expert system is tailor-made for each product line and allows customers and manufacturers to benefit from a customer-empowering approach to production that pushes forward for a zero-waste process that provides the customer with exactly what they need. Within our KYKLOS 4.0 pilot, the recommendation engine was used to empower the ordering and manufacturing of customizable integrating positional systems made by Medicare, a company with 26 years of experience in providing truly and meaningfully customized products to its customers. The recommendation process of a wheelchair considers both physical and behavioral aspects of the customer and other non-anthropometric characteristics to select the ideal frame for customer's characteristics and augments it with components and accessories that fit the customer's needs. This approach acknowledges and utilizes the customer-centered role in the production of goods to bring forward a cyclical, more sustainable, and inclusive manufacturing process.